Thanks for tuning in to 88 Rotors Off-Road. Here's a video of how we usually do our BMCs. That's the body mount chop to create clearance for 35-inch and 37-inch tires on the Toyota Tundras. This Tundra shown here has a 3-inch level. With this BMC, it allows clearance for up to 35-inch tires. For Tundras lifted 6 inches or higher, the same exact BMC allows up to 37 inches of tire clearance. The purpose of this video is to show the transparency of our work. Please do not try this at home unless you have the proper tools and experience with using them. Always have and wear your safety equipment. This right here is the actual chopping of the body mount. We cut off as much as possible to create the maximum clearance without interfering with the structural integrity of the frame. Here we tack on the block-off plate. Here we precisely weld on the block-off plate completely. This is immediately after, before we grind down and smooth out all of the welds. This grinding process is to clean up all of the welds and smooth them out before painting. We then repeat the same exact process on the other side of the truck. This is before the paint dries. Once it does match the rest of the truck's underbody. For maximum clearance, we do recommend trimming the front fender liner. If you're interested in getting this done to your Tundra, give us a call. Please hit the subscribe button. Make sure you comment if you have any questions below and hit that thumbs up to let us know that you like what you're seeing so we can do more of these videos in the future. Thank you for watching.